Sometimes there are situations that may require you to blast without water. During dry blasting, certain parts incur wear faster versus wet blasting. With that in mind, there are 4 main components that you should check after about 400 hours of dry blasting, or 2,000 hours of wet blasting. These are the outlet elbow insert, air inlet nozzle, outlet pipe, and elbow adapter. These can all be purchased as a package from our online store. You'll also be checking some gaskets and seals as you go, which are also available in the online store. In order to access all of these parts for replacement, let's start with the air inlet nozzle. First, undo the air inlet body lug bolts with a 3/4 inch socket or wrench. Then remove the 2 inlet lugs that look like wings. That will allow you to remove the air inlet body, air inlet nozzle, and inlet gasket. Be careful not to lose the gasket. Inspect the air inlet nozzle and gasket for any wear or deformation and replace as needed. This is what a good one should look like. Redo the sequence in reverse to reassemble. After replacing the bottom section, we can move on to the top part. After locking down the abrasive handle, we can remove all 4 of the outlet elbow cap bolts with a 1/2 inch socket or wrench. Removing this cap reveals both the cap gasket and the insert gasket. Once you remove these, you'll have access to the outlet elbow insert. You can then inspect it to see if it needs to be replaced. Check the other gaskets as well. A telltale sign that your outlet elbow insert needs replacement is if you notice anything resembling a 90-degree angle on the elbow. The elbow is supposed to have a smooth curve, allowing the least resistance to the media as it flows out of the pot. After inspecting and/or replacing the outlet elbow insert, we can move on to replacing the outlet pipe. First, we must disconnect the pinch valve assembly by removing the 2 bolts under the pinch valve. That will enable us to remove the entire pinch valve assembly and set it to the side. Then undo the 2 elbow adapter bolts. The metal bracket and elbow adapter will come right off, and now we can inspect and/or replace the elbow adapter and gasket. Next, we can go ahead and remove the outlet pipe and attached elbow body. This can be done by first removing the 2 split pins from the abrasive lever yoke and the 2 from the abrasive lever connecting link. Remove the clevis pin from the rocker arm hinge yoke and then the rocker arm connecting links. Follow that by removing the entire rocker arm assembly and set it to the side. Next, we can slowly twist, wiggle, and pull straight up on the outlet pipe and outlet pipe elbow body. Once the down pipe is off to the side, you can now remove the brass packing gland nut so you can check the main packing gland gasket, coupling gasket, and the seal that's just below it. Finally, you can inspect the outlet pipe by looking either down through it to see if the inner diameter of the outlet pipe is worn, or inspect the outside of the outlet pipe to see if there are any abnormal holes or other signs of wear. If the pipe is needing to be replaced, you'll need to separate the outlet pipe from the outlet elbow body. Do this by putting the outlet pipe into a vise and using a pipe placed onto the outlet elbow body for leverage. Unscrew the elbow body counterclockwise to remove it from the outlet pipe. Once you've gone through all of the wear parts, gaskets, and seals, put it all back together in reverse order. You're now ready for another 400 hours of dry blasting or 2,000 hours of wet blasting. If you have any other maintenance or parts questions, check out our support page at dustlessblasting.com/support or call in and get in touch with one of our techs.